Hello and welcome to another episode. My name is Joshua Bellinger. We're going to talk about Tesla. Now, Tesla, a couple months ago, or even over the last couple years, has been loved by many. But Mr. Musk has flipped the bird, and he's ticked off a lot of people. Now, we're at an interesting level on where shares are trading right now. We're going to take a look here at the chart in a second. But I also did see some interesting order flow, some interesting positioning for this options expiration in the next few days. So we'll follow the money here, and I'm going to show you where they were positioned. But is it now time to buy, or is it time to sell? Well, we'll talk about that in a second here. So let's take a look here at the chart and Tesla here. As I mentioned, we are at an interesting price level here. We're able to hold this 200-day moving average here. And if you see here for the year, Tesla is underwater. Now we're back to levels that were back in November. And we can take here a look at the monthly, 20-year monthly. So you can see here it took a rocket ship higher, and those that were short this name here, the bears got thumped on this one for so long, and now we're probably going to see some interesting price action in this specifically. This one did split, and we have some individuals that a lot of retail traders that were involved in this stock, and we saw a lot of the mania stock in this one of the first ones here, and prices spiked up higher here, and now they've ticked off some people here, and Elon, I don't know what he has done with his books, accepting Bitcoin, and he's just all a Dogecoin now. So it's a complete mess. This company has been a complete mess. Their cars, now, don't be offended, the cars are crap. I mean, anybody who wants to own a Tesla or owns a Tesla, sell those. I mean, all day, every day. I would never buy one. If you gave it to me, I would sell it. Bottom price. But when we look here at the monthly, it's not looking pretty. It is back to this level here, but this is a momentum stock that is just falling out of favor, or hasn't yet, but looks to be falling out of favor. When you look at the daily here, it is at an important level here at this 200-day. Hasn't touched this since. It could hug it a little bit here, but I mean, overall, right now we're looking at momentum, and we're looking at this momentum moving lower, and also this could just be an ugly just puke all over. So that's something interesting to look at, the activity that I saw here, and to give something away here, to walk away from this video here. What order flow, some of the top most active options today were in the put side here, and it was in the 580. So 35,000 contracts traded. I mean, we're seeing activity in the 580, 575, and the 570 as well. So a lot of activity here. The 575 and the 580, or 570, yeah. Just taking a look here, 580 and the 575 puts. So nearly 50% of those traded on the offer there. There's going to be some two-sided trading here, but again, they're looking for this to break lower, and these are pretty expensive. I mean, this is just not just little small money here. I mean, this is institutional here. So sure, they could be hedging. That's the problem with puts. They could be hedging here, but when you look at that, and again, this is a hard one to short. I mean, this has thumped bears for so long. If you're going to do something here, I wouldn't consider anything into March, and this is not in May right now. This is not a recommendation. What I would look to do is I would look to do something with a little bit more time, and I would do a spread. You want to buy one and sell another one here, but the other thing too is that this could be a slippery slope. Sells off pretty quickly. You want to sell into that move because it will get bought up. But even if you look here, you got to pick your spots. I don't know. This is a tough spot. If I have to do something here, I'm going to wait for it to pop up a little bit and then sell into it. But again, that positioning is a little interesting, that they're looking for the next 4 days to possibly have something happen here. Again, it could be a hedge. That's the difficulty part of looking at something like this, and also looking on the put side. Calls, again, only make money if they go higher. It makes it a little bit easier. But Tesla, I mean, I'm short. I would be short. I'm not short now. I'm short the company. I don't like it. I don't know if this is the spot. Big money is positioning for the next few days. Who knows what's going to happen here? I would look for something where we see a little bit of a pop higher and then sell into that. So that's what I have for you today. Make sure you like the video. Let me know what you think about Tesla. if I offended you about the Tesla, hey, it's okay. Everyone likes something. There's chocolate and there's vanilla for a reason. Tesla, though, oh my God, what a piece of crap. So we'll see you in the next one, and I'll talk to you then.